Hi, my name is Ali Shabir Hussain, and in this video I will be teaching you different types of numbers. So the numbers are divided into two parts. First is a real number and second is imaginary number. The real numbers are the numbers which are used to define or denote a single continuous unit such as length or weight, height, whatever. On the other hand, we have the imaginary numbers. The imaginary numbers are the square roots of negative numbers. These are not real numbers. Mm, we denote them as the product of a real number and an imaginary number, which is I. So the imaginary numbers are the square roots of the negative numbers, and there is more to this, and I will show you in the next video about this. So now the real numbers are themselves divided into two parts: rational and irrational numbers. The rational numbers are the numbers which can be expressed in the form of p by q. Uh, on the other hand, the irrational numbers, they cannot be expressed as the ratio of p and q. I mean in the form of p by q, such as the irrational numbers can be square roots of the prime numbers, or the cube roots of some prime numbers, uh, or the non-recurring, i.e. non-repeating decimal numbers, such as this 3.01, 0.0001, 0004, 0001, etc. This decimal number cannot be expressed in the form of a fraction. Which what is fraction? I will express you in just a few moments. Now the rational numbers are divided into two parts: fraction and integers. The fractions, mm, the fractions are in the form of numerator and denominator. Mm, they are you can understand it like they are not continuous numbers, like 3, 7, which are the integers. The integers, they are just one number. On the other hand, the fractions, they consist of two parts. Now the fractions themselves are divided into two parts. They are actually divided into four parts: the unit fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction, and the mixed fraction. The unit fractions are the can be explained as you take one unit and divide into many parts, and in whatever many parts you are dividing them, that is the unit fraction. Such as if you divide a tablet into two parts, it becomes each part becomes 1 by 2, half. Similarly, if you have a cake and you divide into five friends, then it becomes 1 by 5. Each friend gets 1/5 of the share. That is unit fraction. That is the sum of all the parts becomes 1. The proper fraction. Proper fractions are the fractions which are less than 1, such as 3 by 4, 4 by 7, minus 5 by 34. Important thing to take care is that proper fraction is always less than 1, and to do this, the numerator should be smaller. The numerator is the number above the line. The denominator is the number below the line. In proper fractions, not improper fraction, in proper fractions, the denominator is always greater than the numerators. Now the improper fractions are the fractions which are greater than 1. They are just the opposite of proper fraction. You can also say that the improper fractions are the reciprocal of the proper fractions. Now the mixed fractions are just a sum of a integer, i.e. this number which is not fraction, and fractions. The mixed fractions can also be the improper fraction can also be converted into mixed fractions. Mixed fractions mixed fractions are uh, mixed fractions are greater than always 1, or smaller than 0. Integers, these integers are the integers are simply the numbers which are not fractions. They are just complete numbers. Okay, there is no fraction, there is no decimal. The integers are also divided into two parts: the negative numbers and the whole numbers. The negative numbers, as the name suggests, they are smaller than 0, and the whole numbers are the numbers, uh, the counting numbers including 0. Keep this in mind. Many people always get confused. Even I was confused when I was small, but when I was younger. But there's just one simple trick: whole numbers. What does the name says? Whole numbers, the entire numbers. Okay, entire counting number, 0 1 2 3, whole. On the other hand, the whole numbers are also divided into two categories: 0 and the natural numbers. 0 is 0, and the natural numbers are numbers, counting numbers excluding 0, 1 2 3, etc. So this was the types of numbers. uh, Please subscribe to my channel. I will bring you more tutorials in the future. Thank you. Up until now, you have shown your respect, shown your love to me. You have given me many views, and this is why I have been making these videos lately. Please subscribe. Thank you.